What is the difference between call and apply? What is the difference between using call and apply to invoke a function? Are there performance differences between the two aforementioned methods? When is it best to use call over apply and vice versa? The difference is that apply lets you invoke the function with arguments as an array. Call requires the parameters be listed explicitly. A useful mnemonic is A for array and C for comma. CMDN's documentation on apply and call. Pseudo syntax. There is also, as of ES6, the possibility to spread the array for use with the call function. Sample code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.